Stop trying to hit aces when you serve in pickleball. You're not at Wimbledon and the kitchen is not grass. When you're hitting the serve in pickleball, it's about consistency. It's about placement. Sure, there's people who will try to hit some sort of underspin, the banana serve, some other cockamamie serve that someone made up, but it's not about those fancy serves that might win you a point by the random ace. It's about consistency. Less is more. Pickleball's not supposed to be flashy. So what should you do? Well, when you're serving, you want to focus on a low to high swing, but you're essentially hitting a forehand. You're turning, dropping the paddle, swinging low to high. You want to keep your head down, don't pull it up, and keep your body and your posture upright with your knees bent. You're trying to hit the ball deep. You either want to hit it to the center of the box where your opponent's standing in, or try to pick a side if they have a weaker forehand versus backhand. But you want to ideally just get the ball in to the center deep. You don't need to try to take a risk with a flashy serve and try to hit an ace, or to necessarily pound the serve and try to hit it very hard. A deep serve that lands just a couple inches in front of the baseline is just as effective, if not more effective, than just a serve where they just try to pound the ball hard. Odds are the people that you play against will not have a very good backhand. So when in doubt, if you don't know which side is their weaker side, just pick the backhand. It's like picking C on a test. When in doubt, pick C. And if you want to try to add a little finesse to the shot, little Salt Bay action to the shot, put a little spin on it. But you're hitting topspin, not a ton, and you're not using your wrist, you're using your shoulder. So you want to, couple things. Change your grip to a semi-western grip. When the paddle face drops, it's going to be slightly pointed to the ground. And when you swing up, you're not flicking your wrist. You're swinging up, brushing up the back of the ball with your whole arm. Add a little bit of topspin. A deep shot with a little bit of topspin will kick back, and it's way harder for them to deal with. Just remember, serve smart, start strong, and you'll control the rally before it begins. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe button, do all the things. Please.